Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm opening up one Harry Potter Funko Mystery Mini and here's the box. And I really want Luna, Snape or Bellatrix, and if I can't get any of those then I would like to get Harry in the Sorting Hat, or I think this is Dutch Longhorn, Longtail, something, Dragon, or the Selkie. That's fun. So let's dive right in and see what we are going to start today. So, it's a character, not something, and we have Snape! Snape is my favorite Harry Potter character. And I love that I have him in the Funko Mystery Mini collection. That is super awesome. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I'm going to be opening up another Harry Potter Funko Mystery Mini box tomorrow, so I will see you then. Bye!